Looking to bring life into your home with beautiful, low-maintenance indoor plants? In this video, we'll reveal the best easy care plants, essential care tips and secrets to keep them thriving all year round. Whether you're a beginner or a plant lover, these tips will help you create a lush green oasis in any space. Watch now and transform your home with the power of plants. Benefits of indoor plants. 1. Improves air quality. Many indoor plants, like snake plants and pothos, help filter toxins and increase oxygen levels. 2. Boosts mood and reduces stress. Studies show that greenery indoors can promote relaxation and mental well-being. 3. Enhances home aesthetics. Plants add natural beauty, making any space feel cozy and vibrant. 4. Increases productivity. Having plants in your workspace can improve focus and creativity. 5. Low-maintenance options available. Some plants, like ZZ plants and peace lilies, require minimal care and thrive in low light. 6. Regulates humidity. Plants naturally release moisture, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. If you're looking for bright, beautiful, and low-maintenance indoor plants, here are some great options. 1. Peace lily, spathiphyllum. Why? Glossy green leaves and elegant white flowers. Care. Thrives in low to medium light, needs watering once the soil is dry. 2. Snake plant, sansevieria. Why? Striking upright leaves with yellow or silver edges. Care. Extremely drought-tolerant, survives in low light, and purifies air. 3. Pothos epipremnum aureum. Why? Beautiful trailing vines with variegated green and yellow leaves. Care. Grows in almost any light and needs watering only when dry. 4. Anthurium. Why? Bright red, pink, or white flowers that bloom for months. Care. Prefers indirect light and regular watering, but don't overwater. 5. Zetza plant, Zamioculca samifolia. Why? Deep green, glossy leaves that tolerate neglect. Care, low light, minimal watering every 2 to 3 weeks. 6. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Why? Air purifying, with arching green and white striped leaves. Care. Thrives in bright indirect light and needs watering once a week. 7. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema. Why? Stunning variegated leaves in shades of green, silver, or pink. Care. Does well in low to medium light and needs occasional watering. 8. Bromeliads. Why? Tropical, colorful flowers that last for months. Care. Loves bright, indirect light and needs occasional watering. Would you like recommendations for plants that specifically thrive in bright sunlight?